Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jayla, also known as Jay Chanelli on the internet, so that is where you can find me. So here I am. I'm coming to you guys with a video that I haven't recorded in a very long time, and it will be a product or brand review. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, like you watching the video, so you might as well just subscribe. Like, it only makes sense. So let's go ahead and get into things. So my natural hair today is brought to you by Maui Moisture, which is the company that I'm reviewing for you today. Maui Moisture is a rather new brand. I think they were founded in 2016, so they're rather new on the market. And I just want to talk to you guys today about the products that I have been using by them and just give you a product line review and just talk about the company in general. So today I will be reviewing this line, the Heal and Hydrate line, which is specified for dry, damaged hair. Before we get into the specifics of the products, I just want to talk to you about the brand Maui Moisture, and I'm pulling up some notes. So if you go to their website and you click About Us, it says Maui Moisture was inspired by hand-picked and handcrafted ingredients that can be found on tropical islands like Maui. So they specified that their first ingredient is always 100% pure aloe vera juice. And they said they have 6 different ranges or lines just for your specific hair needs. They have the Curl Quenching Coconut Oil for curly hair, the Heal and Hydrate plus Shea Butter for dry and damaged hair. That's the one we're going to talk about today. The Strength and Anti-Breakage plus Rich Agave for chemically damaged hair. Smooth and Repair plus Vanilla Bean for frizzy, unruly hair. Thicken and Restore plus Bamboo Fibers for weak, brittle hair. And Nourish and Moisture plus Coconut Milk for dry hair. So I found out about this brand actually from a natural hair co-worker. And she just like mentioned using the products. And I was like, no, I've never heard of those. And then I saw them in the store and I was like, I'll give them a try. So today we're going to focus specifically on the purple. This is the purple line, which is the Heal and Hydrate plus Shea Butter for dry, damaged hair. When I pick up products, I usually go for products that specify dry hair. My hair isn't necessarily damaged, but I do have pretty dry hair, so I try to get products that focus on, you know, moisture, because that's what my hair needs, is moisture. And who better to give us moisture than Maui Moisture, right? So let's go through each product. I did pick up every single product within the purple line. Oh, no, I don't. So I don't have all the products in this line. I'm missing one product. So I'll leave that one for the end and we'll just talk about it. But I do have all the other products. So there's a total of 5 products within the Heal and Hydrate line. And I have 4 of the 5 here. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So it says that all of these products have no mineral oil, no silicones, no parabens, no gluten, no SLS, no sulfated surfactants, no synthetic dye, and no oils. It says that they are all vegan, eco-friendly, have pure coconut water, and pure aloe vera juice. So that is basically the rundown on the products, or the ingredients rather. Now I want to get into the actual performance of the products. So here we have the shampoo within the Heal and Hydrate line. I have only good things to say about this shampoo. I have used it at least 3 or 4 times. So you can see the product line is about here. I've used it at least 3 or 4 times, and this is one of the only shampoos that I can detangle my hair with. Like, it's so moisturizing and it's so creamy. You can see the way it comes out. You can tell that it's going to be moisturizing, as you can see there. It smells amazing. I like products that smell like fruity or tropical, so it's right on the money there. And I feel like it doesn't strip my hair at all. Like, my hair doesn't feel super dry after I wash this out of it. It feels pretty moisturized. I would say not as moisturized as it would A+. I have no cons about that shampoo. Next, we're going to get into the Heal and Hydrate conditioner. As you can see, I've also used this, but you know, we be using, for every 1 part shampoo, we use 2 parts conditioner. I also really like this conditioner. I get lots of slip. I put this on right after I shampoo, and I leave it in for about 5 minutes. And then I do a very light finger detangle. Like, mind you, I've already detangled my hair with the shampoo in. And this is just basically to make sure that I got everything. It's super easy, makes the detangling process a breeze. And the smell is very consistent with the shampoo. This is the texture of the conditioner. And I have absolutely nothing bad to say about this conditioner. It definitely does the job, and I will definitely be repurchasing both the shampoo and conditioner. Next product we have in the line is the detangler leave-in. And I use this once I get out the shower. Now, this is the only product within the line that I wouldn't necessarily repurchase, only because I don't think it's thick enough for my hair. I'll show you the consistency right now. So very similar consistency to the conditioner. In fact, it looks super consistent with the conditioner. Except, oh, you see, obviously it rubs in a little more because it's a leave-in. So I can't necessarily say that there's anything wrong with this product. It just doesn't do anything for me. It doesn't make detangling easier. I also think that the smell of this product is slightly different than the other, the shampoo and the conditioner. I can't tell what it smells. It smells the same, but not exactly the same, if that makes any sense. There's a noticeable difference in the scent. This would be very good for you if you have fine hair. Because if you do have fine hair, this is a perfect consistency. It won't weigh your hair down or anything like that. But because my hair is not fine, I don't have thick hair. I have pretty normal hair, but my hair is definitely not fine. I need a little bit more weight to my products, if you get my drift. And finally, this is the hair mask. I'm all about deep conditioning, so this was the very first product that I picked up, and this product is the reason that I went and bought the entire line. The consistency of the product is as such. All of these products are not too heavy, so very usable for if you have both thick hair and if you have a little fine, if your hair is a little more fine. Smell is amazing, and this product made me go get the other products because I remember the first time I washed this out of my hair, my curls were clumping together so perfectly to the point where I didn't even want to put another product in my head. I've used this maybe like 10-15 times. Absolutely would repurchase. I would repurchase everything in this line with the exception of the leave-in, just because I need a little bit more. And there's one other product in this line that I did not pick up. I was unaware, actually. And it is the Heal and Hydrate Raw Oil. I knew I was looking for oil. I was like, why doesn't this line have an oil? It does have an oil. But just about this oil, it says shea butter is infused into this hydrating oil blend with rich coconut and macadamia oils. Apply small amounts of damp hair to help mend dry, damaged hair. I do want to include one more product. I do own other products from different lines for Maui Moisture. And the one that I definitely want to talk about is this one. And this is from their Curl and Quench Coconut Oil line. And this is a curl smoothie for thick and curly hair. Now, I would compare this to Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie, except it's not as thick. This is what it looks like. Now, this product smells better. Like, this line, the thick and curly hair line, smells so much better than the other line. The other line already smells good. Like, it already smells amazing. But this one smells 10 times better. Like, but this, again, like I was saying, comparable to Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie, except it's a lot less thick, but still works for my type 4 hair. It's rubbing in very nicely, so you will not get product buildup with any of these products. Overall, all of these products are super duper bomb. 110% will recommend. I have nothing bad to say about this line. I don't know what else to say. Like, I done said what I done said. Yeah, let me know if you want anything else, if you need anything else from me as far as product reviews go. I hope this one was helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!